YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I am demonstrating to you guys how I went from this to this. Alright guys, so let me tell you guys why I've decided to color my hair black. As you can see, my hair looks horrible right now. So I've decided to dye it black because that's actually my natural color. And I haven't done my hair black in years, you guys. Years. I've done pinks and purples and reds and browns, and I actually recently tried to do blonde. I contacted my stylist and I told her, hey, I want to do blonde hair.
How can we do it? And even if it takes, several sessions, she's like, we can't do blonde hair on you. Your hair is too black, it's too dark, there's too many undertones. You will never be able to achieve that color, and I don't recommend it. And I was like, ugh, that's such a letdown for me because I have not tried blonde.
So anyways, there's always wigs, I guess. Alright, so here is what I'm going to be using today. I bought these at Family Dollar for $4 each, so it was $8. It was not expensive at all. Black hair dye is never expensive. So I'm going to get to it, start dyeing my hair, and I'm going to show you guys the end result. I did get some negative feedback saying you shouldn't do it. Some people said you should do it. I literally got half and half on my Instagram where half the people said yes, do it, half the people said no. My husband at first, he said no, I don't like the black hair, but I am tired of this, you guys. Like, if you ever want to dye your hair and you want to do a box dye or whatever, never do black, because once you do black, you cannot take that off. Like, it is extremely difficult to take the black off. So this is a major decision for me to do that. It was not taken light. So yeah, let's get started. YouTube, this is the end result here. This is what my hair looks like after it's been dyed. I am actually extremely happy with it. I love it. In fact, I was very hesitant to get it done just because once you go black, it's hard to remove from your hair. But I am feeling this look. I am actually going to keep this for a while. So I am so glad I went through with it. So if you guys like the end result and you like the video, hit that like button and don't forget to leave me your comments. I would love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Love you guys.